before I install it, just let me show you the difference. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tiago, your host. So today we have the 2000 Toyota RAV4. What you're gonna need for this job, we're gonna get right to it guys, because I know you guys are busy with your families. I know a lot of things are going on now in the world with this coronavirus, but I'm here outside today. I'm just gonna change the spark plug, and what you're gonna need is just an extension, and you're gonna need a 5/8 socket. With these 5/8 socket, they have a rubber in there. The reason why there is a rubber, when you put the socket in there for you to remove the spark plug, the spark plug will grab onto it, so it's easier for you to pull it up. All I have is a extension, a 3/8 extension, and a ratchet. All right, this car has 4 spark plugs because it's a 4-cylinder, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. All you have to do is remove this boot on each one of them. Just make sure that wherever one that you remove, you put it right back in place. Just put it in there. And when you put these back, you don't have to over tighten them. You just tighten them a little bit, just kind of like, not hand tight, but just enough. You have the feel for it. Don't tighten too much because you don't want these spark plugs to get stuck inside the engine. So you just give a little press so the rubber can get to the spark plug, and here it comes out. So you remove it. Grab your new spark plug. So you're gonna need anti-seize thing, so you can put in your threads, and a little bit of this boot silicone that you can put it over here around this area here, so the boot will come out a little bit easier. Okay. A little bit of that, since it comes out a little bit. A little bit. You don't need too much. All you need is just a little bit. And you need your boot protector in here. And you put it just a little bit here on the boot, just so when the boot gets in here, the next time you change the spark plug, it will be easier for you to do. Oh, and before I install it, just let me show you the difference in both of them. This one doesn't look as bad, this one here, but we're just gonna change it anyway. Just put it in there. Twist it with your hands. Always start the threads with your hands. Never try to, tighten with the ratchet just yet. So just tighten with your hands. When you feel that, it's already seated and stuff, then you can just start tightening. And this is tight right here, right? It's already stopped, right? So what you do is just a little snug. That's it. And you can replace your boot back. And you repeat 4 times. With this one, that one, that one. No, but thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. There's a decal right there. Let's see what we got. Woohoo.